The 2011 Dodge Journey. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third-row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated front seats, Uconnect hands-free group, flexible seating group, third row seat. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.